Jutel is one of the most experienced companies in delivering radio automation and content management solutions. We serve any size radio broadcasters with our RadioMan access. We have more than 30 years of experience in the broadcasting industry. Jutel provides solutions that turn innovations into new business models for our customers. For us, it's not just another job. It is what we do best and want to do the most. World-leading broadcasters like BBC, CBS News Radio, and other major broadcasters trust in Jutel. Jutel RadioMan Access is a full-range, cloud-ready radio broadcasting platform for content management, workflow management, and distribution. RadioMan Access changes the way of radio broadcasting. With Jutel RadioMan Access, digital content can be created, scheduled, organized, archived, published, and distributed to one or multiple channels and locations. RadioMan Access will significantly lower the total cost of ownership and reduce the IT footprint. Internet-fit browser-based architecture removes the client installation work process and allows flexible placement of the play engines with IP audio. Your radio broadcast workflow can be controlled wherever you are, studio or on the road. Fast ROI with cloud-native architecture. Location-independent content creation, edit, and playout. Open interfaces to third-party solutions. Audio over IP ready. Full production suite from planning to distribution. We at Jutel are proud to deliver world-class customer service. Our services for broadcasters include 24/7 help desk, customization, on-site or remote support, and consulting. We also offer tailor-made subcontracting services for Jutel or third-party solution integrations. Visit us at www.jutel.fi.
RadioMan Access. Play anywhere.